morning, everyone. Welcome to Books for Babies and Tots. My name's Holly, and I'm the Literacy and Innovation Specialist at Tillsonburg Branch. And in today's episode, we are going to read and sing all about birds, like this hummingbird. Hum, hum. Let's start with our hello song. So if you have a little one on your lap, you can help point out the body parts in this song. If you're a toddler or preschooler, you can follow along with me. Hello everybody, can you touch your nose? Touch your nose, touch your nose. Hello everybody, can you touch your nose? Touch your nose. Hello everybody, can you touch your toes? Touch your toes, touch your toes. Hello everybody, can you touch your toes? Touch your toes. Hello everybody, can you give a cuddle? Give a cuddle, give a cuddle. Hello everybody, can you give a cuddle? Give a cuddle. Hello everybody, can you wave hello? Wave hello, wave hello. Hello everybody, can you wave hello? Wave hello. Hello, good morning. I have a duck here with me. What sound does a duck make? Quack, 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 quack. They go quack, quack, quack. We're gonna sing a song about ducklings, and for this song you can quack along with me, or if you have a little one you can bounce them on your lap to the quacks in this song. Four little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only three little ducks came back. Three little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. One little duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but no little ducks came back. Sad mother duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and four little ducks came running back. Our book today is Hooray for Birds by Lucy Cousins and published by Candlewick Press. And this book has a lot of movement in it. So if you're a toddler or preschooler, you can stand up while I read this book and do the motions along with me. If you have a little one on your lap, you can wiggle and move them to the book on your lap. Look at all these different kinds of birds on the inside cover. There's a flamingo, an owl, penguins, a rooster, a peacock. We're going to see lots of different birds in this book. Hooray for Birds by Lucy Cousins. Can you imagine just for one day you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird, hooray! The sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up and shout. What does a rooster say? Let me hear. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher up in the sky. Let's flap our wings together. flap, flap, flap. You can fly about the room if you like. And this little bird's going hop, hop, hop. Can you go hop, hop, hop like this little bird? And what kind of bird do you think this is? It's a woodpecker going peck, peck, peck. Can you peck like a woodpecker? Peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch your neck like this swan. Can you stretch your neck up high as you can? Give it a good stretch. If you have a little one, you can lift them up nice and long like a swan's neck. And our next bird is a parrot. And the parrot's saying, say, hello, darling. Hello, darling, says the parrot. Hello, darling. Then swoop like a starling. Can you swoop down like a starling? Swoop. If you have a little one, you can swing them between your legs or swing them back and forth. We're going to swoop like a starling. Swoop up, swoop down, and swoop round and round. Can you go in circles round and round? Whee! Scratch the ground with your feet. Scratch, 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 scratch. And catch a fly in your beak. Can you catch a fly? Hum, hum, hum. Oh, what's this flamingo doing? Can you stand very tall on just one leg? Let's give it a try. Stand on one leg. Ooh. Can you try the other leg? How good's your balance? Not sure if I'm as good as a flamingo. What bird is this? It's a chicken. That's right. Say cluck, cluck, and lay an egg. Cluck, 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 buck, 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 buck. How good's your chicken noise? Catch a wriggly snake. He's got a snake in his talons. And stretch out your wings. Catch a snake and then stretch out your arms like they're big wings. Open your beak and sing. We love our songbirds. This one's saying tra-la-la, tra-la-la. This cardinal saying tweet, 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 tweet. This hummingbird says And this little sparrow goes cheep, 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 cheep. What kind of bird is this? It's a penguin. Can you waddle like a penguin in the snow? Waddle, 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 waddle. Or run like an ostrich. Go, go, go. Can you run around the room? Are you fast like an ostrich? Can you show off your tail and puff out your chest like a peacock? You wiggle your tail. and puff out your chest. Then cuddle up close with Mama in your nest. Give your little one a good cuddle, or go find someone in your family and give them a good cuddle. Just like this Mama Parrot and her baby, all safe and sound in the nest. What a busy bird you've been! The funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day with cock-a-doodle-doo! We were roosters first. Now say goodnight like an owl. And the owl says, to-wit, to-woo, hoo, hoo, hoo. The end. And all the birds have gone to sleep at the back of the book. Good night, birds. What kind of birds are you seeing in your neighborhood? You can tell us in the comments below. What kind of birds are you seeing in your yard or in the park right now? Lots of birds are coming back after being away in the winter. This next song about ducks is a great song to have your child either on your knee or in your lap to bounce them with the quacks of the song. And there's also some wibble wobbles in the song. You can move or sway them back and forth too. So get comfortable with your child on your lap or in your knee for this next song. 6 little ducks that I once knew, fat one's skinny, one's fair, one's too. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, 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 a quack, 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 a quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Down to the river they would go, wibble wobble to and fro. But the one little duck with the feather in his back, he led the others with a quack, 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 a quack, 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 a quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Back from the river they would come, wibble wobble, ho hum hum. But the one little duck with the feather in his back, he led the others with a quack, 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 a quack, 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 a quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. The next rhyme we're going to do is called Two Little Blackbirds. You can hold 2 fingers up like you have 2 little birds. Tweet, 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 tweet. And we're going to move our fingers for the song behind our back. Or if you have a little one, you can tickle them as they move behind. 2 little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack, one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. 2 little blackbirds sitting on a pole. One was fast. Can you move your finger fast? Where you can tickle really fast. And one was slow. You can tickle slow. Fly away fast. Ooh. Fly away slow. Come back fast. Come back slow. 2 little blackbirds sitting on a cloud. One was quiet, and the other was loud. What's a loud bird? Tweet, 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 tweet. Fly away quiet. Fly away loud. Tweet, 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 tweet. Come back quiet. Come back loud. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Let's do some stretching so you can help your baby stretch and tickle their toes for this song, or if you're a toddler or preschooler, you can stand up and follow along as well. Stretch, 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 way up high on your tiptoes. Reach the sky, reach the sky. See the bluebirds flying high. Can you make some birds with your hands? Now bend down, touch your toes. Now sway as the north wind blows. And waddle as the gander goes. Waddle, 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 waddle. Let's do it one more time. Stretch, 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 way up high on your tiptoes. Reach the sky. See the bluebirds flying high. Now bend down and touch your toes. Now sway as the north wind blows. And waddle as the gander goes. This next song is called Little Bird, and you can either make a bird with your hands and move it to the song, you can fly around the room to the song, or you can move your baby around as if they're flying on your lap to this song. And it's to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Little bird, fly around, up to the sky and down to the ground. Little bird, flap your wings, open your beak and sweetly sing. Little bird, fly to your nest. Now it's time to take a rest. Let's do it one more time. Little bird, fly around, up to the sky and down to the ground. Little bird, flap your wings, open your beak and sweetly sing. Little bird, fly to your nest. Now it's time to take a rest. It's time to say goodbye, so we're going to sing a song where we move our hands, and we're going to start by opening and shutting them. Open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, put them in your lap, lap, lap. Wave them, wave them, wave them, wave them, reach up to the sky, sky, sky. Wave them, wave them, wave them, wave them. It's time to wave goodbye, goodbye. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Books for Babies and Tots. Hooray for Birds is available to be placed on hold for curbside pickup at www.ocl.net. Until next time, so long.